What up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video of DIY, doing it with Lowe's. Today's video, we are going to be working with Rust-Oleum undercoating and truck bedding coating. I've done a little bit of views on different things that you can use to do undercoating, different brands like Raptor. This is my first time experimenting with coating, and my project car that I'm working on is going to be this bed here. It's a 1972 Jeep. Just did the outside, changed it from this old blue color, and I got it all taped up, ready to go, and we're going to be doing some undercoating here, also some coating in this area, and we're going to see how Rust-Oleum does. For sure, I heard a lot of bad reviews. It chips away, it comes off. I did priming on this, sanding down as well as much as I could, so hopefully it adheres well, and stay tuned. A quick before look inside so you can see how bad the work is, and let's see the miracles that Rust-Oleum makes. For the coating, that is like a bed liner per se, I was expecting for it to be rubberized or like texturized like this. It turned out more like a flat color itself, but I hope it just does the job with scratch resistant, or at least just defending the bed itself. For the undercoating, I still have some left. For this one, I actually ran through both of the cans. This one here, the rubberized black, I did the inside here. Perhaps we could get some light. Actually, I can't get no light in here, but the rubberized black was pretty good. I think the undercoating type was an actually fair color compared to what this stuff actually does. So for $14, you're best off getting the actual thing that you want to do, unless you're okay with starter kit. For the undercoating, I'll say work 100%, better than what it was. Take a look at the inside. This is using the undercoating Rust-Oleum. Fair game, I would say, for a spray type of binding. Overall, I think it worked out more better on the rails itself. It adhered very nice. I really like how it came out there. But overall, yeah, good job for both of those Rust-Oleum kits. This is where I used that rubberized one that was in the undercoating. I actually put it on here, and it turned that flat surface into like a plastic, kind of like thick surface, which is pretty cool. I'm debating if I paint it or do another coat and see what happens. But hopefully it helps you decide whether you want to try this or not. I would say give it a shot. If you go ahead and go the extra mile to do all the sanding and getting it all clean, I think it will give you some good results. Anyways, until next time, peace.